Okay guys, I'm not excited about this one. We are gonna do 100 tornado kicks in a row. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. I'm sure there will be lots of reason for me to censor this later.
Perfect.
100 tornado kicks in a row. I went ahead and had 2 breakfast burritos, and then also some mac and cheese too. And I don't know what else to say about this one. It's not gonna be fun. 100 tornado kicks in a row, or at least I'm gonna do my best because I really don't feel good about this. I haven't warmed up. We're just gonna get after it. So I think what we're gonna do, I don't even want to set a structure for myself because I feel like if I say, okay, 20 and then I'll do 20 more, I just want to try and bang them out as much as we can. We're just going to get into it. 100 tornado kicks in a row. Should I start slow, start fast? What do you think?
Fast.
I don't even want to start. Ready?
Perfect.
Oh God. Okay, that was 8. Whoa. Okay, that was 15. Oh jeez. All right, I think that's 20 so far. Yes? All right. Oh gosh. Do you have any idea what number we're at? We're gonna call it 27. I feel like I'm in like a 5-round slugfest. 35. That feels sick.
I think maybe you should try this again another time.
Why?
Do not vomit in this grass.
I think I'm almost at 50. That's 50.
Really? You're 35, you did 3 more, and now it's 50?
It wasn't 35.
Uh-huh.
It was 35, like, I don't know, I can't count. Have you been counting?
You should just put a counter on the video. You don't have to actually count right now.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh. Okay, no sitting down.
That one does not count.
That one doesn't count?
No way.
That one should count.
Your leg didn't even leave the ground. That was 6.
6.
Nope.
Oh, This sucks.
You give up?
Not yet. I'm not even Disney anymore. It just sucks. I'm a little dizzy still, actually. Hey, how are you?
Are you dead? Give up.
Maybe.
Give up.
Uncle.
Give up.
Say uncle. No, I got a couple more. What is it from Bloodsport?
Seth.
I don't know.
Seth.
Mati. Any idea what I'm at?
No.
I feel like it's gotta be like 65 by now.
That was
I don't know why
5
my
more.
body's pulling me up the hill. Ooh, it's close. I got mac and cheese like right here. Do not eat much beforehand, especially if you're gonna. Let's do a couple more.
Almost from
Somebody call
walking.
IXII.
I don't know what that is.
Somebody call IXII!
Perfect.
Work. Okay. So, come to the conclusion that if you're gonna do tornado kicks on the street, try it one at a time. I might puke. Don't eat beforehand. Do it on grass if you're gonna do more than 3. Wear shoes. Oh, everything is moving a lot less down here. That was close enough to 100, right? I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna make it past like 25. I thought maybe 20, 30. Don't buy my tornado kick course on Teachable. Oh man. Let's see here. If you enjoyed this and you have other challenge ideas,
Stop. Come to Conhatcho somewhere else. You have a booger.
if you, it's so close. It's like,
Do not vomit in this grass. Do not vomit in this grass.
it was way less than I thought it was gonna be. If you like this, or you have other stupid challenge ideas for things that you don't want to do in real life, but you're kind of curious on what would happen, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. You could like this one and share it, right? You know, it's important for science. I did this for the martial science of the community, so everyone would know what it's like. I do the stuff you want to do is the main thing. Oh God, I still feel like it's coming up. Subscribe or I'll kick you. No more.